Let's see. Show me.
I cannot watch it.
I know, it's hard, isn't it, opening them all?
Yeah.
Pretty soon we'll open her. Look!
The
Oh, look!
baby
Sophie Caillou books! Lots of Caillou
Whoa.
books! Look!
The baby needs to
Yes, I know, she's fixated on her baby right now. Probably should have opened that one last. Alright,
Couple more.
come on, let's finish up and then you can play with your baby. I gotta get her out of here anyway.
How did this
What's the matter? Maddie, can you do me a favor and get me a scissors, please?
Sophie, open your presents.
No.
Come on, honey. I'll help you. Come here. Let's open this one. Come over. Let's get them open. Oh, more Caillou books. Bedtime stories. And let's open this one. What's this one?
I know.
Look. Oh my gosh, I think you're going to love it. A Tangled doll.
Tingle Dad.
Yes, what's her name? What's Tangled's name?
Rapunzel.
Yes, Rapunzel. Thanks, bud. Is that it? Is that all of them?
No. One more.
One more.
One more. Come on.
I'm going to go with Mommy.
Let's see.
More crayons?
Yeah.
Oh, fun. Yeah, that's a lot of them, Maddie. That's like 100-something.
That's your presents. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Happy birthday.
Happy